Hey everyone, I'm going to show you here how to use Jasper AI to improve your content. And when we mean content, we mean any type of content, whether it's content on your website or some content that you've written and you just want to improve it. And we're going to show you two ways to do that here, which is using the templates, using the workflow, and also using the chat to do that. And what we're going to be doing is improving content on our website right here. So when you go to our website, you have the description here, just like any other person's website. What we're going to do is copy that and improve that. Okay, now two ways that we're going to show you to do this, again, is through the chat or through the templates. And if this sounds like a great idea, something you like doing, actually you can get 10,000 words for free, and a link we've attached to the comment section of this video. So you can go ahead, click that and start doing this magic here. But let's get started. So the first one we're actually going to do is templates. We're going to use the workflow for the content improver. And typically what I do is go into the search part right there and just type in IMPR instead of me having to scroll all over the place. Now that's the content improver. And now what you do here is you put your content in here. You choose your tone of voice and of course your language and all that stuff. So we're going to stick to the content and the tone of voice to improve our content here. Again, we are using the content improver now. We will be using the chat later, so stick around for that. Okay, let's go in here now. What we're going to improve are these first two paragraphs. So we're just going to copy it and see, we're just saying, hey, let's spice up the website. Let's just change some stuff here. And all you got to do is just use the content improver for that. All right, so let's paste that in there. We have it. And as you can see, you can input almost up to 800 characters, which means if your blog has up to 800 characters, I can actually go in here, or your text or a paragraph, that you can actually put in here. So once we have it in there, we'll pick our tone of voice. I like to pick like witty, casual, professional, captivating, professional, exciting. Well, if this was a social media post, we would pick this, but this is for our website. So we're going to pick captivating, professional, and exciting right there. And automatically now we're just going to generate it to see what it gives us on the right here. Okay. Now here it is. BizCrown Media provides innovative digital marketing and web design services that are guaranteed to increase your business visibility, growth, and success. Our experienced team of professionals will ensure the best possible strategies for raising awareness while allowing you to focus on what matters most: running a successful operation. Invest in us today, which is really, really cool. So I can now go on the website, delete this, or even add to it, because we're pretty much saying the same thing there, and just replace that content. Now, if I actually wanted to make it a little bit more, I would like to say more specific to the website, that's where the chat is really, really cool. Because when you go in the chat, you can actually type it in here. Let's say this: rewrite this content for the website in a captivating and exciting and professional tone. Right? And then in quotes here, we will just paste our content there. Okay. Now you see the difference is with the content improver, it just asks for your content. With the chat, we are putting it in context with the prompts. Rewrite this content for the website in a captivating and exciting and professional tone. So let's see what it does if it's actually going to give us something good here. And now it's thinking, okay, so does your business have what it takes to reach the highest heights of success? Look no further than BizCrown Media for all your digital marketing and web design needs. Our professional teams of strategists create tailored solutions that are designed to help you stand out from the competition and ensure you reach your desired audience. With our extensive knowledge in all things digital, we guarantee that your business will stay ahead of the game when it comes to giving your customers an unforgettable experience. Start your journey today and let us help you unlock the possibilities that await. So you can see how I have used the templates, content improver, and also the chat, the Jasper chat, to improve the content on my website. I can also go into old social media posts and pretty much do that if I just wanted to create new content. So that's how you could do it, is one, going through the templates, using the workflow of the content improver. And once you go in here, you could see we provide all that digital marketing stuff. You generate your content, it shows up here. And your other option is to use your chat and actually to put the prompt the way that you want it to actually show up on the website. And so those are the two different ways. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to our video and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to create great content that makes your life a lot easier. Take care.